The next morning, we again partook of the spectacular Shangri-La Golden Sands breakfast buffet. Then we decided to fly the drone to get some pictures of the hotel and its amenities. After lunch, we set out to visit Cat Beach Sanctuary. Cat Beach Sanctuary is, in their own words, literally the last resort for homeless cats rescued from desperate situations. Cat Beach is a no-kill, non-profit, cats-only home and refuge for rescued cats. Visitors are encouraged, but there is no fixed admission price. We donated 50 ringgits each to spend a few hours visiting the cats. A modest amount considering the many kilos of cat food they go through in a week. There are literally hundreds of cats roaming around at Cat Beach. Most of them are friendly and will engage with visitors. The actual sanctuary is relatively small, but the cats have access to plenty of beach, so there is no overcrowding. While many of the cats roam free, new arrivals are kept in cages until they have acclimated to the location and have been spayed or neutered. We weren't the only tourists visiting. The staff were very accommodating and brought out some of the caged kitties so that they could get acclimated to being petted by visitors. One of the advantages of living on the beach is that one's world is a giant litter box. Some visitors had a handful of cats seeking attention. The visit reminded me of one of my favorite poems, T.S. Eliot's The Naming of Cats. After we had our fill of hanging out with the cats and taking pictures, we reluctantly left Cat Beach and headed back to the hotel for a swim. For supper, I had made a reservation at the Laguna Bay Bar. Their website bills itself as the ultimate beach bar experience. The weather was blustery and threatening when we got there around sunset. Shortly thereafter, the skies opened and there was torrential rain. Management made a valiant effort to accommodate us and others who had already ordered their food in the limited sheltered seating area. The menu was extensive, offering a variety of dishes. I ordered the lamb chops, which were delicious. And Neil ordered the char Q toy, a very popular noodle dish in Penang, which he enjoyed. For dessert, I ordered a banana split, as Neo had never tried one before. During dinner, we were entertained by a two-piece band. Due to the rain, the fire show, the highlight of the evening, was delayed. The rains finally relented and the staff dried off the tables and chairs. The performers arrived. And we were treated to a spectacular fire show on the beach with the ocean as a background. including audience participation, and an exciting, fiery conclusion with lots of sparks and even some lightning.